Look, there's a very high chance that you're not going to believe what I'm about to tell you, but I made over $2 million in the last year using these AI tools. And no, I'm not going to give you some made up list of tools that you could potentially use. These are tools that I actually use every single day in my business, and they make me an insane amount of money. The first tool is Shinify. This tool allows you to automatically generate short videos that get you thousands of views. If you don't believe me, check out my Instagram profile and look at all of the videos I've made with this tool. The second tool is called ManyChat. It allows you to automatically respond to comments with robots, and it even DMs all the people that are commenting on your post. The third tool is GSA. This tool allows you to send millions of messages through websites' contact forms, all just by clicking a few buttons. The fourth tool is called Radar. This tool uses AI to analyze the best times to post on social media, and it schedules your content for you. Number 5 is this free checklist of hundreds of AI tools that you can get paid to promote. If you want a link to it, just respond with the word yes.